Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you this evening. I want to do a little recipe. We're just kind of in the mood for a good little seafood stew. And things are getting a little bit cold outside in this fall weather, so that's what we're going to do today. Y'all come with me real quick. Let me show you what I got. I've got a cup of butter just melted right here. Little cast iron pan, coated cast iron. Then I've got some Trinity here. This is bell pepper, onion, a little bit of celery, stuff like that. Our local place chops it up for you, sells it fresh right there in the grocery store. Heck, why not? So we're going to simmer this down for just a little bit, and I'll come right back to y'all. All right, y'all, so we have sauteed this onions, bell pepper, celery down a good bit. Now I'm going to come in with some of my other ingredients, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to really season this with... I've got some Cajun seasoning. Let me show you what I got here. This is a new thing I've been trying here. It's called Cajun Kick. Oh, so y'all can see that there. Yeah, really, really good stuff. Lower sodium, with a lot of flavor. You can see the granules and stuff like that in there. You know, we're gonna throw that Cajun Kick off in there. Okay, season it, and then I've got just some crawfish boil. Use whatever crawfish boil you want. Now, I'll put the measurements down in the description box for you, but basically, like that was about a tablespoon of the Cajun seasoning, about a teaspoon of the crawfish boil, and we'll just kind of stir that around a little bit. Okay. Got that there. Get everything seasoned. Now I got some minced garlic, about a tablespoon or so. Put up minced garlic. Stir that in there. Good stuff, y'all. Everything nice and flavored. The rest of that seasoning down there. Right. Alright, now I'm going to come in, something kind of interesting here. I have got some Worcestershire sauce. Now this just isn't any Worcestershire sauce. This is WSauce. This is awesome stuff. It's a little bit thicker, and this is their Fireshire. It's a little bit spicier. Okay, so we got a half a cup of that. Throw that off in there. Ooh, you can smell that flavor coming through right there. Oh man, that's nice. Okay, draw that in. Now I got the juice of 1 lemon, fresh, squeezed. Put that in there. And last but not least, y'all, I've got some barbecue sauce. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. I use 1 cup of barbecue sauce. This is where the barbecue comes in this stew recipe. Beautiful. Look at that. Let's get everything nice and beautiful right there. Alright. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. Let me go get my shrimp and my crawfish. So I've got about 2 pounds of peeled shrimp here and a pound of crawfish. And we're going to put that off in there, y'all. And let that just simmer, mix it down. Let that simmer, is going to release a lot of juices from that. It'll thin it out some for us. I'll come back to y'all in just a few minutes. Oh, okay, so I've been stirring it a little bit. Just make sure all the shrimp turn kind of pink. And now I've uncovered it. Turn the heat down a little bit. So we'll let it simmer here. Kind of thicken up some. Get all that goodness and that flavor in there. So we've been cooking about 10 minutes. All the shrimp are done. It's basically ready. But I do, you know, just to say you want to serve this on the table, you can garnish it with some lemons, something like that. How pretty that looks. Put your some lemons on there, whole cut lemons. And then you can come in here with a little bit of parsley and just kind of sprinkle that over. And you go set this on the table, and it looks just beautiful, just like that. And you could serve it, just dip some bread in it, serve it over grits. That's what we're gonna do. And that'd be fantastic right there. And if you wanted to thicken it up, you could put a little roux in the bottom of it, but be serving it over grits. I like to be a little bit thinner, okay? But y'all, so we're ready to serve it up. I'm gonna serve it over a little bit of grits tonight. I think that'd be nice. And just pour it right over there. Oh yeah. Let's get over here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of bread right in there. Some little crunchy French bread. Sprinkle with a little bit more of that parsley. Y'all, that looks fine. Now let's give this a try. Woo-wee. A little shrimp, a little bit of piece of crawfish in there. So we're talking about what is good Cajun stew. Man. That is fine. Fine. Oh, we gotta give this a try. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, my inspiration for this was actually Malcolm Reed in a recipe called Mardi Gras shrimp. Very, very similar. That kind of tweaked it a little bit. Here's just served with the bread. Man, this is good. It's a good old, you like shrimp and grits. Oh man, you'd love this. Thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving.